There are lots of planner and diary options in the market, but are they just adding to your daily tasks rather than enhancing your productivity? Meet award-winning Frontfold, your daily productivity system. Rather than focusing on everything that is happening or going to happen in your life, Frontfold is designed to note down only a few important things to tackle each day. Frontfold comes with 3 separate smart-size magnetic whiteboards of daily, weekly, and monthly layouts to address any of your planning needs, plus an elastic organizer to hold all of your loose stationery in one place. It is simple and gets tasks done. Frontfold is designed with a simple task tracking signal system, which helps you to focus only on the important work and drive you closer to your goals. The design is simple. Fold it, then place your whiteboard on it. Use it to plan your daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Tasks can be marked with signals like done, working, or not done. Easily dry wipe it and reuse it to save paper. Reusable planning layouts, elastic organizer, and smart task tracking signals. Frontfold has it all. So, get Frontfold and get prepared to take command of your lifestyle by improving your productivity.